school compared to your primary school? Honestly, I just didn't really enjoy school. I was one of the kids who was teased in school, and I mean, it did kind of affect me in a little way, but when I got to high school, I realized that people bully, and bullying never stops. And if you let it get to you, then that's when the problem begins. But if you don't let it get to you, people really kind of feel stupid for bullying you. So honestly, I kind of preferred high school, because primary school, when I was bullied, I thought, oh my gosh, it's the end of the world. I'm this and I'm that, and I felt bad about certain things. But in high school, I kind of matured in a certain way, and even when people teased me, well, not junior high, senior high, when people teased me, I didn't really take it as in, oh my gosh, this is true, I'm gonna die on the inside. I took it like, okay, dude, you're probably just seeking attention, or you want attention, or you have nothing to do, so you're gonna pick on me because probably that's your entertainment for the day. So I didn't really bother that much. I kind of brushed it off and just concentrated on the people who actually enjoyed my company, and it worked. So I preferred high school to primary school. And then, why do people have to be mean to others in order to be feared or respected? That's another question. So I honestly think that is I think it's dumb. I think it's stupid. I don't understand why people would want to be rude or mean just so that they can be respected. I think people gain respect when they are not those things, when they're just genuine about who they are, and if they're firm. I mean, there's a difference between being mean and being firm. If you're firm about something, you're just standing your ground and you're being firm, and people shouldn't do this or do that. You're just not letting people take advantage of you. But in being mean, I think people use that as a defense mechanism just so that, like, people shouldn't jab at them. Maybe if they're insecure about something, by them being mean and being guarded, people cannot cross a certain boundary with them. I think I don't know much, but I think it's kind of a defense mechanism, yeah. Excuse my language. So if people are mean, you shouldn't take it personally. I think just kind of think of it that, like, they're probably going through something that they cannot put together well in their head, and they have to put it on other people. But then again, like, it's not fair to put anger on someone else who didn't do anything to you just because you're insecure about your own drama or your own problems in life. It doesn't mean you have to be mean to others in order for them not to see that. I think they're scared of being vulnerable, so that's why they're mean. So if that answers your question, I hope it does. Sorry, my battery just went low, so I was sorting out that. But I hope you guys enjoyed my Q&A. Those were questions from my friends and family, and I do hope you subscribe and like my video. Thumbs up to it, thumbs down if you don't like it. It really doesn't matter. But I will be doing more videos to come. You guys can let me know what you would want me to do in my videos, because I do want to keep vlogging, because it's really, really fun and interesting. And I love these Q&As. I can do any other videos if you would like. So let me know, leave a comment down below. Let me know what I should do next, because I really do enjoy doing my vlogs. Love you guys, and see you in the next video.